Hi, Michael Glennon from Glennon Capital. This week I want to talk about small resources. So I've mentioned before over the last couple of years that we're not big investors in small resources. We've generally tend to play our exposure in the small resources sector through having the mining services and contracting businesses. So essentially the people are supplying the picks and shovels to the miners. But what we have seen over the last few months is an incredibly strong rebound in small resources. And that's been driven by a little bit more optimism in global markets, as well as a firming of some of those underlying commodity prices. So that's had a twofold effect. It's meant that small industrials have significantly underperformed over the last few months the small resources, but it also means that they're starting to get back to parity with the massive losses that have been suffered in small resources if you have a look over the last 5 years. So do we think it'll be sustained? Yes, I do think that a lot of the small resources were very cheap, and the flow-on effect of that is there's been a lot more IPOs and capital raisings in the small resource sector. For our portfolio, has translated into some good returns from some of the mining services companies that we do own. We're happy with those businesses, and we still think that the outlook for them is very strong over the next couple of years, as we do see some of the mining companies starting to spend more money in terms of expanding their mines, replacing inventory and things on mine sites, and generally a pickup in the level of activity. So we're confident about the outlook for the mining services sector. We think that small resources were oversold, but we don't tend to play in them, so we don't invest there that much. And we think that the outlook for the next couple of years in the mining services will be very strong, and we're happy with our position in those stocks. So Michael Glennon, thanks for watching.